Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program Lexus Key Fob Easy Method. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the key in hand. Turn the ignition to accessory, then back to off 5 times quickly, ending in the off position. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons together for 1 second, then release. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the doors from outside. Now we will walk through each step clearly and slowly so you can follow along easily. First, cycle the ignition as described, ending with the key removed to engage programming mode. Once in programming mode, press the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob together for 1 second, then release and press the lock button alone to register. Repeat for additional fobs and finish by testing all functions from outside the vehicle. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and quick tips. On another note, I recently picked up a compact e-reader that makes waiting at the dealership much more pleasant and portable. It pairs nicely with a day of DIY car tasks and coffee. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. If something goes wrong, stay calm and try a few simple fixes before calling for help. Start by replacing the key fob battery and ensuring the car battery has good voltage. Repeat the programming sequence slowly and exactly, waiting a few seconds between steps. If the remote still will not learn, try with a known working spare fob or consult the vehicle manual. Professional help can resolve complex immobilizer issues if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.